Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YUMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line annotations are coming from. And definitely want to get things updated here. It was another crazy day, although the chart's starting to look pretty sketchy. Now, I'm not going to call this a full-blown pump and dump or anything like that, but it's starting to kind of enter into potential pump and dump territory. Now, when I say pump and dump, I'm not saying that the company is being run out of a bunker in, North Korea or anything. I'm just making that statement based on the price action. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move within a short amount of time, and then all of a sudden the price is back down to, kind of where it all started. And from that perspective, it's not down to where it all started. I mean, this big move essentially happened on the break of 45 cents. So that's why you can't fully call this a pump and dump, because to be fair to the bulls, let me actually just get this out of the way here. And this, of course, does assume you care about the big picture of things. So if you are a day trader and, you bought, let's say, right there, or you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, this doesn't really pertain to you. From that perspective, yeah, the chart looks really bad. But if this, assuming you care about the big picture of things, like I said, to be fair to the bulls, something like this could happen where the price could come down, bounce around here, and then start to work its way back upwards. And again, emphasis on big picture. So from the big picture point of view, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have this set of lows right there. You picture these as stair steps. And yeah, you would still have progress in the upwards direction. Now, on the flip side of things, if the price comes down to the 50-cent area right around there, and breaks below it and then continues to sink to the downside, at that point in time, what would you have? You would literally have the price right back to where it all started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength, and where I would essentially call this a pump and dump. Because yeah, there's no doubt about it. The price has made a really nice move, and considering this has all happened in only 2 days, I think we can all agree this is all occurring in a pretty short amount of time. But overall, yeah, like I said, the bulls still have a chance. You got to give them, the opportunity to build a higher base. So definitely going into tomorrow, top priority number one right now is chipping away and staying up above 50 cents. So let's see if the bulls can do it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.